So after reuniting with an Olympus Trip 35, I decided to check out another compact film camera from the 90s. This one is the Minolta 75W, and it's a really cute design, absolutely gorgeous. Very, very simple, but some wonderful design lines on it. So it's a 35mm compact film camera. The operations are very straightforward. We have an on-off button on the back. As you can see, the flash pops up and the lens opens up. The lens is a Minolta lens, a zoom lens. It's 28 to 75mm, and it will have a macro option on here. And then in terms of functions, well, there's not too much really to write home about here, but it's all very simple. You've got a flash and red eye option, you've got a self timer, and then you've got a series of picture styles really. Auto, there's a macro, there's a nighttime, and there's a landscape, and they just appear on the display as you step through, like so. So it's autofocus. On the back of the camera we've got a nice viewfinder. There's the on-off button. Here's your toggle for the zoom, and there's a window there for checking the film. To get into the body and load a film, we've got a little tab here, and now you can see on this one, 1995 as we said, absolutely mint. This one was sold as spares or repairs. They said it wasn't working. They said you could load a film, but it just wasn't, the shutter wasn't working. And as you can see, I'll operate it now actually with the back off. We're on, let's go on to auto. You'll see that the when we press the shutter button, it operates fine. The flash goes off on this one, and you could see the shutter. If we go on to the nighttime option, we should see a wider aperture, I'd have thought. Let's have a look. Yeah, it sounded like a wider aperture there. It's got good seal around here. Yeah, this is very tidy. Not much else to say about it. That's the film wind on. Underneath we've got tripod mount, serial number. There's a strap. I've added this strap separately. I have one lying around. Definitely goes red and silver. It's very comfortable in the hand, this particular camera. Really feels good. Easy to use. And you've got a couple of LEDs on the back which indicate when you have focus and when you have enough light to take the picture. So that's pretty much it. There's this nice resting piece here on the side for your finger when you're taking a shot. Very nice. So, beautiful little camera. Yeah, I mean, I found it was working. I did put some isopropyl alcohol onto the power switch, the on-off switch, the shutter mechanism, but I think it was working actually all the way through. So we paired it up with some lovely Fujifilm Extra 400 and went off and took some pictures. Let's see how we got on.